difference between the conversions column versus the all conversions column. If you've logged into your Google Ad account and you've noticed that the number in the conversion column is different to the all conversions column, then you're going to want to watch this video. I'm going to walk you through a live Google Ad account and show you exactly that discrepancy and why it's occurring and what impact it has actually on your Google Ad account. So let's go dive into my account. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos. So here we are in our Google Ad account. And as mentioned, I'm really going to be explaining the difference between conversions versus all conversions. And really this comes down to the difference between what is a primary conversion and what is a secondary conversion. And we can make these categorizations when we set up conversion tracking in our Google Ad account. A primary conversion is really something that is our ultimate goal. It's maybe a sale or somebody filling in a contact form, versus a secondary conversion is almost like a micro conversion. Like they kind of got halfway there. So it's not really what our end goal is, but they're kind of on the way. And this really demonstrates the difference between the conversions number versus the all conversions number, the difference between it. If I show you in the conversion tracking section of this account, so tools and settings, under measurement and then conversions, you'll see if I go to view all conversion actions, where I've selected no here, this is basically making it a secondary conversion. I say I don't want to include it as an account level goal, but I still want to track it. I still want to know if this is taking place, but don't include it as our primary conversion because it's not really a lead. It's somebody who clicked the quote button but hasn't actually completed that quote request. Why you would separate things by primary conversion versus secondary conversions really often comes down to bidding, because you're not using it in your account level goals. So you don't want the data to be skewed, and therefore, you really want Google to be optimizing for what it is your desired result, which is them actually completing the purchase or actually filling in that contact form. So when you're setting up conversion tracking, think to yourself, is this going to be a primary conversion or a secondary conversion? And if it's whichever one it is where you would set yes or no to be at the account level goals. Hopefully that clarifies. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and you can also check out my website where I help people with all their Google Ad accounts at teachtraffic.com. Thanks for watching.